mastered the slow flow, but still can go fast up on ya. Savage monster rapid, doing damage that'll haunt ya. You acting like the camera's on ya. I rap with honor, bring heat like lava in the labra. Yeah, that's the sauna. My team ready to eat, calling that piranha. Your team heavy defeat, dropping caskets on ya. Camouflage ya, Theodore unit like Capadonna. Me G and Burn making tracks, dropping classics on ya.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Who wants to hear Bill spit some fly shit? Hopping off planes, rocking a fly fit, taking flight so often I know the pilots. Velour this, velour that, Gucci flip flops and a ball cap, getting side eyes from the mall rats. Goddamn girl, I need a hall pass.
Kinda spaced on that. I don't think mine happens. Let it ride, you know? Lazy flow, slow flow.
Hey yo, I just touched down on the west coast, coming from the land of Sainsbury's and Tesco's, dressed head toe in the retro. Hit a buckle, told him let's go, it's credo.
Hey yo, I'm living in the lion's den, ride to win, rise again, keep it live like Iverson, rap myosin. You get played like violins, Bex and Heineken, no Vicodin. I'm vibing with my Magava pen.
Light up the Doja and send another super solar. These days I sip beers like I used to drink Coca-Cola. Sometimes I feel like I should probably slow my roll up, but then I think of Falco and Monty's with the super
Yo,
soakers.
light up like supernovas, bring call the Uber over. Bruising Buddha, proven soldier, you're cruising comas. Cruising slower, killed it drunk but do it sober. Earl Boinkins with the player 2 controller, it's over.